Hello guys, welcome to a rollover session. So we have got 17350p which is at we sold at about 60 rupees. So right now it is trading, yeah, now I think it has got closed, means I was rolling over. So I have put a order for 1825. So we sold it for 60 rupees. So now we have closed it for 1825. So in that process we have booked about 4175. So right now I am rolling that to 17500 PE, which is trading at about 39.40, 39 rupees something. So let's roll over to 39.50 plus. So we sell this. It's coming down. So we'll say 39.50. So this is 39.50. 39.25. So overnight limit order 35. So we sell this 100 quantity. So this is basically like rolling up the puts, or you can say rolling down, rolling up, does not matter, we are rolling the put. So right now 39, so 39.50 should execute at any time. If it comes down, let us see. The moment we change the price, it starts going against it, so we will not chase the price. Yeah, 5 by, yeah, done. This is what I was waiting for. So now the order is executed. Let's see our position. So we rolled up, so 4175 we have rolled, we have booked the profit. Last week we have booked 1900, so together we have booked about 6000 rupees profit, and we are already having about 8800 rupees. This was much higher, 20,000 something it was, so it has come down, but does not matter, means we keep on rolling up and then collecting the premium on the weekly. So at the end we will be profitable only. When we will book the profit, it is individual's discretion. For me, I will be rolling this strategy whenever like I am getting about 30,000 rupees, because I have put in about 1,25,000 in margin for this trade. So I am looking at somewhere about 20-25% of profit. If the 20 to 25% comes today, or it comes after a week or after 2 weeks, that time I will book the profits, not now. Okay, so that is what I hold, because there are many people who have already informed me that, sir, why we are not booking the profits like 26-27,000 profits now, why you are holding that. So now you can see, means the price has gone down, so you could have booked the profit. Could have booked, that is individual's discretion. Means if you want to book, you book and come out. There are many people who have booked at 10,000, means it's enough for them. 10,000 they booked and came out. For me, 10,000 not enough, 20,000 is not enough. I am looking at 30 to 35,000 profit. That profit will come. I am looking at 25% of the margin blocked, which is 1,25,000 is the margin which is blocked. So about 25% of it is about 30 to 32,000 rupees. So that is the money I am looking at. If that money comes, I will book. So till that time that money has not come. If that money comes in December, I will book in December. Okay. So that is what is the plan. So right now the trade is okay. Now the roll up is already done. We rolled from 17,350 to 17,500. Same week we are rolling, same week. We are not rolling out. So we are just only rolling up. So no issue. The roll is done. So we will follow up this one in the coming days, means we have another 3 days to expiry. Today is Monday, so we are coming another 3 days to expiry. We will do that. So I'll catch you up if I am rolling again, or if I am closing and rolling out. Thank you very much. Hello guys, Welcome to another roll up for this week. So this week is the market is going up, so we keep on rolling the weekly put what we sold, and we try to eat a little bit more premium right now. So what I have done is, this is the put, the 17500 put is the one which we sold for the week. So what I have done is I have placed order for 5.5. So right now it is running at 6. So if the market goes up a little bit, so this put will come down. That time this put will get executed. Either way means tomorrow is the expiry. So 17500 is somewhere about 350 360 points out of the money. So the decay should kick in, and it should come and hit 5.5. So I'm just waiting for that. Let's see means how it goes. So but the roll up is already executed. The 17700 PE means I moved to 17700 PE. So I sold it for 15.5. So that is still like the 100 quantity. So right now it is running at a minor loss. That is always the case for us. So whenever like we execute, the market goes up. So today also it is the same case. So the trade is on. So once this order gets closed, the 17500 PE is right now open. So it's about 50 paisa here and there. So when the market goes up, the put will come down. So that time it will get executed, or the decay will kick in maybe in another 1 hour, 1 to 2 hours, the decay will kick in, that will get executed. So what we have done is 3950 is the price which we sold. So we are closing at 5.5, or if the decay does not kick in, it will be little higher, but we will be closing it with somewhere about 3300 to 3400 rupees of profit, which is good enough for this week. So just to update on the 18,000 PE, now 18,000 PE has come to just break even. It is running in a minor loss. Consider 1 week back this was trading at about 20 to 21,000 rupees of profit. So now it has come to a break even. But what we have done is, in between that time we have collected premiums, means we have booked profit of about 6,100 rupees of profit, and today we will be booking profit. I have not updated this. Today we will be booking profit again. So the margin is still the same, 1,25,000, because we are going only with 100 quantity. So it is still 1,25,000. We continue collecting the premium. So this is going to be a bit longer trade, because 30th of December we have got the long dated option. So we are at 7th of October. We have so many weeks to go. So we will keep on selling. Even this goes negative, no problem. When the last time when I updated, it was 21.5k. So now it will be 0. Okay. So no issues with that. We will be keep on collecting the premium, and we will be exceeding those gains also. If the market like continues to go up, we will keep on eating the premium on the put side, and we will continue to make profits every week. Let's see how it goes. So right now I think the market is coming down. So this put has also increased, and this put has also increased. Let's see how it goes. I just want one uptick in the market, means once that comes, this will come down. Let's see how it goes. I'll keep you posted. I'll keep you updated. Once the roll is done, I'll just update you all. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome to a rollover session. So what we have done is, in between, so we had 17700 PE. So we will talk about the positions what we had last week. So the position was 17500 and 18,000 PE. So this is the put diagonal we had. So since 17500, yesterday I had put a limit order for 5 rupees 50 paisa to close it, and I had put a 17700 limit order at 15.5 to sell new. It's same week, means just I was trying to collect more premium because the 18,000 was losing a lot of money. So just to collect more premium, I had done that. But the moment I took the positions, the market reversed and both the options started gaining value. So for saving this 17,700 and 17,500, so what I did was I went next week, 14th October option, 17,200 put, I went and bought for 40 rupees. So right now that is showing a loss. So that is okay. The hedges normally will give loss. If hedges are giving profit means your main trade will lose a lot of money. Okay. So the hedges will give loss. That is perfectly all right. So right now the market is set 17,819, 818, 819, huge gap up today. It was a kind of expected because yesterday that was 6th of October evening, the SGX Nifty was not coming down. Even our market was coming down, the SGX Nifty was up. So it is understood that today the market might have either a decent opening, either a flat or a slightly gap up opening, definitely not a gap down opening. And yesterday the US markets were down in the morning, but over our in India or like late night, like the market again rallied. And so you know that I am taking some of the US market trades also. So yesterday luckily I did not roll up any of my call sell positions because when I saw the SPY was trading at 428, so I had a 442 call sell. So I wanted to roll to 435. If I would have rolled to 435, I would have lost a lot of money today. So I did not do that. So in that way, I was saved a bit. So coming back to our market. So right now, I am recording this for closing the 17,500, which was the opened position last week at 39.5. And the hedge what I had taken for 40, this hedge was taken yesterday because I had 17,700 PE also. The sell was open because 200 quantity of sell, we have only 100 quantity of long term option buy. So to cover the naked another 100 quantity, I have bought a 14th October 17200 P. That is losing money, but that is okay. So right now I am closing both with the market order because if we put a limit order, sometimes it gets executed, sometimes the market reverses. We are always on the receiving end. So we don't want to do that. We will close it as a market order. So let's see, I have just clicked, so I'll just exit both the positions, means about 1000 rupees profit. So I exit. Done. So let's see the orders. 285, 14.85. Okay, it is more or less the same, means like what we have seen. It is the same. So right now the positions what we have is the put calendar. Forget the call condor. The call condor will provide a very good profit. You can see 17,900, 18,000 is our upper end, and we have 17,200 and 17,300 as a bull call spread. So this one is going to close right at our max profit zone. So this trade was not given in the group because I was not very comfortable this week to give a call condor. I was still running the the put calendar or diagonal, so that is what means I wanted to continue. So I had taken this, but you can see I have reduced the lot size. Normally I used to take 300 quantities, so I have done 1/3 of the quantity. I have done only 100 quantity this week. It is closing in a minor profit, means about 3,000 rupees profit, means 2,900 is the max profit. So that is what we are going to get here, means that equates to 3% or 3.5% of the capital deployed. We normally like target 3 to 4%, means not more than that. Per week 3 to 4% is a huge money. Okay, so let's see, means okay, we closed this, so it's a bit kind of recovering. ICICI is still there. Yesterday this put was showing a huge loss, but today like it has come back since ICICI Bank has opened up quite nicely, means it's about 1% up today. So that is what means it is indicating. This was showing a good profit. Now the profit is a little bit less. Call Condor having 2000 3000 rupees profit here and about 100 rupees loss. We are already at the max profit in this. Okay, so let's see, means we have another like 80-90 points, means 80 points to cover for 17900. Downside, forget it, it is not going to go down, it's at 17300. So 17900, 18000 is still at risk if the market goes up by another percent, which is very unlikely. Today is being expiry day, not expecting a huge up move like that. If the market goes up by another 1%, we should be nearing 18k. So we are not going to touch 18k today. That I can tell you with some certainty. We will never know. And let's see, means we have a position today, means which is like running at about 500 rupees profit. This position we will try to close it by today evening, because this is 17700. So 17700 is about 115 points away. 115 points away is quite achievable. The max pain of Nifty is at 17700. So we are expecting a minor pullback. Let's see, means how it works out. So right now the trade update is we have closed the 17500 PE position, which was taken last week for this week's expiry at 39.5. We have sold it, so we closed it for 2.85. And the hedge what we had taken to cover that, because since we sold 17700, the hedge was also closed. So overall, if you see, the profit is about 1100 rupees. Okay, it's not a great profit, but still okay, means this was like a execution mistake. I did a limit order, should have done a market order. I did a limit order, the market reversed. So this happens sometimes. Earlier it happened in the call condor, so now it is happening in the put diagonal also. So better, like, I try to execute most of the orders as a market order, so that means we don't like get into this kind of trouble. Okay, so I'll catch you up. Today is expiry day, so I'll catch you up. End of the day update means to what put I am rolling for the next week. So I'll catch you up in the end of the day update. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome to the closing of the put diagonal weekly put only. The long term put buy is still there. So what we did was a roll up session. So we had 17500, 17700 and 17200, means these are the ones. The 17200 next week was the hedge, means you would have seen in the previous section. So today is the expiry day, and we have closed all those legs, and you can see the executed orders. The 17700, it was closed somewhere around 217, so at 1 rupee, means we sold it at 15.5, so we closed it at 1 rupee. And now we have opened 14th October 17650 PE. So immediately it was done, just immediately. So that was sold for 57.3. Right now it is running in the loss. This is as usual, because when I sold, then the market came down. Whenever like we are selling a put, the market comes down. Whenever we are selling a call, the market goes up. So I think that is the issue we are having as option sellers, means we make a view and then we choose the premium and then we go and make our positions. But this short term movements in the market, sometimes like it moves against. Like for example, the 17700 PE which we sold yesterday. Do you know what was the closing price yesterday? It is 107 rupees, and today it is expiring worthless. It is, I closed it at 1 rupee, but this put yesterday the close price was more than 100 rupees. So today it is expiring worthless. So that that much of volatility is there in the market. So the short term movements are always there, means when we take the position may go into a minor loss initially. Eventually everything works out. Like for example, the 17700 we sold it at 1550. Yesterday we were sitting at a loss, huge loss, means we were sitting at a loss of more than 9000 rupees. Okay, more than 8500 to 9000 rupees loss. For that we purchased a hedge, means that was this October 17200 P, and we bought it at 40 rupees. 100 quantity I bought it at 40 rupees, means I paid 4000 rupees premium for that. And in the morning you can see 940, means both the legs, means I closed it at 940. So 940 closed it at about 1485, 15 rupees, means 25 rupees decay, because the market has gone up. Today it is a huge gap up and the market has gone up. So that is how it works out. Means right now the positions what we have, well, there are a lot of other positions are there, means some expiry trades are there. We will not confuse with that. Let us discuss only about one position and the second position, because these are all today's expiry. All this will go off tomorrow. Okay, today night, tomorrow morning when we open, all these positions are all closed off. Okay, so two positions are there. So 5730 we sold, that is the premium for 17650 October expiry, running at a minor loss, about 800 rupees loss. 18,000 PE for December, still holding that 580 rupees. You can see the premiums what I am selling, means somewhere close to that, because we know the number of weeks left, we know how much is the premium to collect every week, because I already made the view. The market goes up, goes down, it does not matter. This trade is a fully hedged. Now some closure is happening. Some positions I kept it open so that closures are happening, because the square of time is about 3:25. So right now the time is somewhere around like 3:16, 3:17. So now since I put the limit order, those are all happening. Just hold on, I'll just close one of those trades. This is the one which got closed. I think this is the, yeah, I think the second one is also done. So I'll cancel both the orders, because these orders are all expiry trade orders, means kept the SL in the system, because we cannot use SL market order. So we have to use SL limit order for exiting. So I did some exit there. I did some expiry trades. Coming back to the position, so two trades are already out. So this is our call condor, the famous call condor. Today it is going to close at the max profit. I did not share this call condor in the main group because I was not very comfortable taking the positions for this week. I have reduced the quantity, which I have already explained in the previous section. In a way, we closed it in profit, so that is one way it is good, but I was not 100% sure about whether this trade will work out properly, and many of our members or beginners, they have very less capital, and when I am not sure about the trade, I don't want to share it, and then if it goes into loss, I feel bad. So when I am 100% sure and I take the trade and I do the firefighting, and if the trade goes wrong, yes, means it is part of the business, means the trade may go wrong. But when I am unsure about my view itself, there is no point in giving out the trade in the group. So that is where I stopped there. Tomorrow we will take call condor, because I am still thinking the market is going to be between 17,500 and 18,000. So we will take a call condor based on this range for the next week expiry, which the trade will be taken on Friday. Today is 7th of October. So 8th of October, our new weekly expiry series will start for the 14th October expiry. So we will be taking 8th October at morning 10 o'clock based on the open interest analysis of support and resistance level for next week. We will take the trade. If we are getting a good trade, we will take it. Otherwise, there will not be any call condor trade. We will continue with the put diagonal, currently what we are doing. So the put diagonal, the positions are open 18,000 PE of December and 14th October 17,650 PE sell. So currently the trade has given a good profit as such. Means if I see, okay, let me just update this. If I update this, okay, currently it is somewhere running about 9,750 rupees of profit. That is means all the closed profits also considered and the open position also considered, means everything put together it is about 9,750, which is not bad. Means right now, based on the final positions, the break evens are very far. For the coming week also the break evens are very far. You can see 17,022 on a lower side and 18,113 on the upper side. Means I am not expecting the market to cross 18,000, to be honest, because 18,000 is a very stiff resistance. I am expecting that to be crossed after the earnings session. The earnings sessions will start after next week, because 13th we are having Infosys results. I think before that TCS results are coming. It starts from there. The market is not going to be like a rocket. It will not go like a rocket. The earnings will always have a positive impact. The earnings will be good for this quarter, because last quarter the unlocking has happened, so the earnings will be good. That will help the markets. Let's see means how it goes. My view is for this series, I go week by week. So for this week's or the coming week's series, I am expecting 18,000 to be a ceiling. If it breaks, the view will turn bullish. We will close the put diagonal or put calendar side and we will open a call calendar. Okay, so anyway, means we went too much away from our topic. So I will stop here. So we will continue this series. So this week the profit booked, you can see the profit booked, except the MIS trades, you can see the profit booked. So 3665 plus 1450. So this put together you can say 5,100 rupees minus 2,515. So like we have booked about 2,600 rupees. So 2,600 rupees of profits booked, and the MTM profit is somewhere about 1,200 rupees. And we have booked previously also. Previously, like we have booked couple of profits, like what are all the profits we booked? So we booked this 1915, then we booked 4175. These two are the profits which we booked earlier. So already booked profits were somewhere about 6,000, yeah, 6,000 plus rupees we have booked. And this week we have booked 2,500 rupees profit. So total we have booked 8,500 rupees profit and the MTM of 1,200 rupees profit. Okay, so that is what it is right now. Let's continue with this series. If the view turns bullish, the trade will be closed and a new trade will be taken. But right now the view is still like that only. I have not changed my view. So we will continue with the put calendar for the next week. For that the positions are already taken. Anyway, thank you for being with me. I hope people have benefited from this series. They have taken the trade and they have made money, and I am happy if people have made money on this. So I'll catch you up in the same series in the next week, end of the week video, or in between if I am doing any adjustments, those also will get recorded, and I'll catch you up next week. May the markets be with you. Take care. Thank you. This is JR signing off. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you have in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. To find us on Twitter, Telegram and Facebook, use the username NiftyBN. Also, we post some of our trades to the community tab. So do not forget to check that from time to time.